Hello, welcome to the class of HTML5 programming. So today we are going to discuss about its CSS float property in HTML. So here this CSS float property is used to configure element to float on left or right side of the browser window or the another element. In previous class we have discussed about the normal flow of the HTML program. So to change the normal flow of the HTML program, we will use this float property. So to shift the element on the left side or the right side of the browser. So for that we will use here the float property. So here I designed this program to use this property. So in head section I declare the style element, and in between style element I use this first h1 selector, and in declaration part I declare its background color and its padding and its color. After that I declare the paragraph selector, p selector, and in p selector I declare its font family and background color. And then I declare this CLS, that is the ID, and in declaration of this ID I use this float property. So the value for the float property may be a left or right. So if I write here the left, then it will shift the float element on the left side of the container. So if you will write here the right, then the float element will shift on the right side of the container. So with this float property we have to mention the margin and border. So we have to write this margin property and the border property with float property. So after come up to the body section, here I declare this. First I declare the heading 1, and then I make this division structure element. So in between division structure element I use the image, and in image I declare this ID equals to CLS that we have declared in this style element. And then here I give the source, that the name of the image and its alternate name, height and width. Then I declare this paragraph and close this division structure element. After that here I declare this heading 2 and its paragraph. So let's see how it will be displayed in the browser. So for that you have to go to run and launch in Chrome. So you can see that it will display this image on the left side of the container. So if you will write here the right side, and now save the program and refresh the browser, so it will shift to the right side of the container. So you can also set the margin of this image by using this margin property and using these values, and same way you can also adjust the border by using this value 1 pixel, solid, you want the solid border or not, or the color of the border. So this is about the float property, how we can shift the element in HTML program to the left side of the container or the right side of the container. So this is all about the float property in HTML program. Thank you.